Hi guys, this is Lauren and today I am going to cook a recipe from southern part of Manila, Philippines. It's called Bicol Express. So this recipe is a traditional recipe from Bicol province. This recipe is usually very spicy, but this time I'm going to remove the spiciness of it because my family should eat it. So yeah, this recipe has only a few ingredients. We have here garlic, ginger, onion, what else, chili pepper, green beans, pork, and the most important ingredient of this recipe is coconut milk. But we don't have fresh coconut milk here in Germany, so I'm going to use the powdered form of that coconut milk. So as you can see here, I am still slicing the ingredients or the aromatic ingredients, and I like slicing of these ingredients because if the aroma is so there's a healing effect in me whenever I slices these ingredients. That's why maybe I like to cook. Yeah, so anyway, let's go back on the topic. Guys, if you're still new to my channel, and if you like my contents, I have a few contents inside my channel. So it's like LorensGarden Arts and Music. It's all in one. So if you like my channel, guys, please consider to subscribe and hit that notification button so that you will gonna notify whenever I upload a new video. So guys, I'm so thankful for those who are already subscribed to my channel, and advance thank you so much to all the future subscribers. So guys, already finished chopping the onions, garlic, and ginger. Here are the other ingredients. I have here green chili pepper. It's a sweet chili pepper. I have here pork, ground pork, 500 grams, and I also have here beans, fresh green beans. So yeah, I'm going to chop the beans and the chili pepper. So I'm going to remove the seeds, so that because if the seeds of the chili is already hard, and it's, I don't know, it's not fine to chew. And maybe you don't like it when there's a hard thing that you bite, that you chew. And yeah, so you can see here, I'm removing all the seeds, and it's pain in the back though, but it's okay. It will become delicious food after this chopping rhythm. So yeah, I chop it like that, slanting thin slice. And then the beans, it's also chopped like slanting thin, not very thin. You can see it, maybe it's a 2mm or 3mm. And then after slicing these beans, I am going to start to cook in the pan. And yeah, let's put first this time let's put first the ginger, because if we put the garlic, it's easy to burn. So first I am going to fry the ginger so that the aroma will um, come out. Yeah, if you see that the ginger is already brown, you can put the garlic already. Since garlic is very easy to cook, maybe it's just a few seconds and it will become brown, and you can just add the onions. So guys, for those who are Bicolanas, I'm not Bicolano, but this is my style of cooking this. This is what I've learned from myself. So yeah, and then everything is golden brown. Put the onion. You know guys, if you do this, only these ingredients is already smells good. And then what I'm going to put next is the ground pork, because our first ingredients are already cooked or fried. Then next is the meat or the ground pork. So just like that, and so that it will become, or it will gonna saute or fry. I don't know, because there are clumps. That's why I'm going to I'm just separate the clumps like that. And I don't know, you guys. If you don't have fish sauce, then you can put just salt. But me, I'm going to put in this recipe 2 to 3 spoons of fish sauce. But I've seen before that they also put here a shrimp paste to soften the food. So it's either you can put fish sauce or salt, or that shrimp paste. I think it will become also delicious. And yeah, just cook the meat until the liquid going to evaporate, and then it is ready to put the next ingredients. So I'm gonna put first here the chilies. As I've said, this recipe should be spicy, very spicy, but since it's a family food, so I don't risk my children's tongue for this recipe. So now it's the green beans. You can imitate Bicol Express by not putting spicy chili peppers. So you can just buy those green chili peppers, which are not spicy, or just put that bell pepper. If you want it very colorful, you can just mix the green bell pepper, red bell pepper, or yellow if you have. So it will become nice and beautiful. And you can just add chili if you want. And put a little bit water for the vegetable to cook, just like that. And I would like to remind you that I'm using here, if you use a liquid coconut milk, you can just don't add water. But I'm using this time a powdered coconut milk, because for me powdered coconut milk is the best processed coconut milk, because sometimes you can buy the canned coconut milk with flavor, or they put something in it, and it's not good for cooking sometimes. So to make your recipe safe, if you have a powdered coconut milk, then use powdered coconut milk. Why I am using processed coconut milk? Because here in Germany we don't have fresh coconuts, so that's the reason why I should use the processed coconut milk. So I'm tasting the vegetable if it is already cooked, and if it is already cooked, you can add the coconut milk just like that. It looks very nice, guys, and smells so good. I can't stop tasting it because it's already delicious even without coconut milk. You can just eat like this if you want, but since this is a Bicol Express, I'm going to put this powdered coconut milk. And if you use powdered coconut milk, guys, you don't have to wait for so long to thicken the sauce. It will become easily thick because it's powdered. Yeah. I'm going to put here two pieces of that so that the taste will very delicious. More coconut milk tastes better. So I just mix it until it become incorporated. This is what I do when I'm cooking. Never ending tasting, and then after cooking I'm already full. So guys, I'm going to put 2 packs of this 60 grams each coconut milk powder, and just mix it well, and cook for a moment, maybe 2 to 5 minutes, and then we're done. And of course you should taste it if you cook it yourself. So it's very delicious, guys. And guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you can cook also at your home. This is the finished product. I reduces the sauce so that it will become a little bit thicker, and believe me, this is delicious. So guys, thank you so much for watching. This is the finished product. I put it on top of hot rice, and let's eat lunch.